Belarusian state-owned television companies and media outlets broadcasting torture should be denied the right to broadcast the 2020 Olympic Games. Human rights violations continue in Belarus since August 2020. The number of people illegally detained for expressing their opinions and participating in peaceful assemblies has reached 36,000. More than 3,000 people have been recognized as suspects in criminal cases on political grounds. 501 Belarusians have been recognized as political prisoners. 555 journalists were repressed. 27 of them are in custody now. Criminal cases were brought against managers and journalists of the largest Belarusian news portal Tut.by. In the situation when Belarusian authorities deprive citizens of the freedom of speech and illegally persecute independent journalists, Belarusian state TV companies and media take part in torture by spreading confessions obtained under coercion. A number of broadcasts contain staged stories with videos of interrogations, torture, justification of violence, and incitement of national, religious, and other social hatred. One example is Roman Protasevich's interview on the main state TV channel, as well as his participation in a press conference of the Belarusian Foreign Ministry. The National Anti-Crisis Management and Belarusian Sports Solidarity Foundation call on the International Olympic Committee and the Olympic Broadcasting Service to deny the Belarusian state TV channels and other state media the right to broadcast the Olympic Games. Such a major tournament cannot be covered by companies that are associated with torture and other violent acts of the Lukashenko regime.